we're doing strike zone. You need 3 things: a laundry basket or a small cardboard box, rolled up sock, and a little bit of tape. Here's what we do. Set up our laundry basket on a table, a chair, a stool, and then we count out 10 paces or as far as you can get. That's as far as I can get. Now I'm going to put down a little line of tape so I know where my throwing line is. There. That's my throwing line. And then I'm going to count how many times I can get my sock ball, or baseball, into the strike zone of the laundry basket. And I'm going to give myself 1 minute. I'm going to count for each point. Ready, set, go. 1 point. Oh. Run back. Do it again. Did you catch me? 2 points. Go! I missed. Oh my goodness. Keep trying. Every throw counts. I need a better set of socks. Yay! 3 points. Keep doing that for a minute. See how far you can get. Then, try again. Try and beat your last score. Good luck.